Hello and welcome, Gilly Cube here. I'm in the Queensland, Australia. I'm going to use up some really nice, bright, vibrant paints that I have, and I'm going to do a puddle pouring with a bit of a difference. So just sort of pouring your colours. So this is acrylic paint mixed with pouring medium. All the information to mix paints with a link to the video if you're a beginner is underneath this video in the drop down box, my lovelies. So just fancy doing something puddling paints in really nice vibrant colours. So here we go. That was the nice lime green, or like green light, I think it's called. And then a nice purple. Oh, you gotta love these bright colours. What's not to love about getting in your art room, or whether it's on your kitchen bench top, or in your laundry, or on the back veranda? Pouring paint, it's just such a wonderful pastime. Gives me lots of art therapy. So this is a nice bright orange. I do like to pour in my oranges some yellow when I'm mixing them, because it makes the orange even brighter. I think I've done one of these for a little while now, so you know, about time, hey? Now I'll go for the actual bright yellow. These paints were mixed for previous pour that I did for was a double dip on a large canvas, so I'm going to obviously probably get a few pieces out of this particular paints that I've still got mixed here. I'm going to go in now for the real nice bright red. I'll fit it in somewhere. Oh dear, that had a little skin. It must have a little bit of skin happening there. Look at that. Ooh. I suppose I could have left it in and it would have been mixed media. No biggie. What you looking at, Rosie? You want to join in the fun here? My Australian Shepherd Rosie, who's absolutely a gorgeous, gorgeous dog. She likes to always be with me in my art room, keeping an eye on what's going on. So it's nice company. And you know what? I'm going to leave it at that, and I'm going to do a little wrecking, as they call it. Get my skewer. I'm going to go through these colours before I do anything else, and I'm going to swirl it. Oh, this is so nice to do, actually. Definitely art therapy. Oh, how nice is that? I don't want to stop. Very nice. It looks very 70s fluoro psychedelica type. Oh, okay. What I'm going to use is my nice big wide offset spatula. This one was Fluid Art Co. I think there's a link in the drop down box for that too. I'm going to do nice wide. This is Amsterdam paint, lamp black, mixed with Australian Floetrol only. This is to give me some nice cells in here. I want to just run through some of these colours and just create a different effect. So I'm putting it on the bottom of my spatula. Now I'm going to start off, I'm going to try and do it very lightly. Ooh, goodness. Look at those gems. Wow, wow, wow. I might actually change to a smaller one now and do some other little swipes through. So I call this Aussie slide. It's because it's Australian Floetrol, and you're literally sliding your spatula through the cells. So I'm going to leave some of my squizzles in there. Ooh. I think I could have probably do this Australian Floetrol a little bit thicker. I'm not going to do the swipes everywhere because I do want to tilt this over now. I think if my paint was a little bit thicker, I'd have probably got better results, but I'm going to try it. Just nice and slowly tilting the paint. Ooh. I have to bring you close to get these. Oh, they're so gorgeous. Then tip it back, recenter it, bringing it down, 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 down. Let's see if I can go over this edge now. Just nice and slowly. Tip it back. Come back down here. Just try and do it nice and slow. Back again. Let's go to this corner now. Just kind of keep your paint re-centered and just do it nice and slowly. There we go, that's covered it. Now bring it back. Wow, look at this. I have to bring you down to show you. But I'm going to do some more squiggles in there because I really like those. Kind of just adds a little bit different effect to it. Keeping all of this, look at this, gorgeous. Okay, I will hit this with a little bit of heat, and what that will help do is bring any cells up if that's what you so wish, but it also helps the paint absorb into the canvas. I am going to bring you down, my lovelies, and come and have a look at this gorgeousness with me. Wow, look at these gorgeous effects in there. Super, super stunning. Looks like a volcano or something has erupted, except for the greeny bits, I guess. But it is lots of movement in it, lots of interest. Oh, I love doing that. Look at that. Just doing the swirls makes it super effective because it's sort of going through the colours. Well, haven't done that in a while. I think I'm going to do one of these next week in just metallic colours. I think that would look super cool. So for now, my lovelies, that is it. I hope you enjoyed that quick little creation, and I hope that you have a go too. Okay, as I always love to say to you, because I do care, is that I hope that you're all feeling well, and if for any reason you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. If not, a helpline. There is always someone there to give a helping hand. So bye for now.
Holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this. If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new